Hello, Jane Tracy.
Hello,
Good
Jill
morning.
Bauer.
Everything.
Did you bring pictures of
I
the most
did.
gorgeous
Of your boyfriend?
baby boy?
Yes.
He loves me. He does.
He loves Miss Jane.
And he loves everybody, though. I know.
He does.
I realize
He's such
that.
a happy-go-lucky
You look
little
at
guy.
him and you give him a little smile, and he gives you one of those incredible toothless baby grins, and you go weak in the knees, like I said to you.
So the next time you see him, the teeth are coming in.
Oh,
so he'll have a couple little ones down below.
Babies,
Love
eat
them. So you look great.
Oh, thank you. So
We've
do
been
you. You
talking
look
about your
beautiful.
marcasite necklace. Love it.
What a treasure.
It's beautiful.
I was just backstage with Cynthia, our buyer, and I brought her in a lot of pieces that you're just talking about my mom. That was so ironic that my mother bought in Peru in 1947. That started her love of silver, and then, of course, my love of silver. And I said, you know, this is something that if she had back in 1948, I'd be so eager to wear today because it's so classic.
Yeah.
And those two little girls at home, high lovers, they'd be wearing this 30, 40, 50 years from now. It's that investment, and it's so beautiful. And if you're a gem lover, 25 carats of garnet.
Beautiful.
And I'm always partial to, if you're doing marcasite and you could pick one gem and only one gem, garnet. Garnet.
Yep.
Garnet. All right, blew out the door when it was on the air last year. Now, Mary Beth had it on, Jill, between 9 to midnight. So unless you were specifically watching for that like 2-minute airtime with Mary Beth a year ago, you've never seen this before. We brought it back and we put it on Easy Pay because it's a $194 necklace. It's gorgeous. That's all hand set. And I'll tell you all about the special marcasite that we've chosen for this as well. But we have 3 easy payments. Time for holiday gift giving, $64.82.
It's forever.
And it never flips. I love it. It's so substantial and beautifully made.
And look how pretty it is with like the rose color that you have on.
I know,
it's
but gorgeous
so pretty.
with your jacket.
Very
with
pretty.
your greens and browns. It's just beautiful. And then really quickly, I know you were just talking about the Rickster.
Yes. 3
gifts. I'll show it to you in a little bit. It's my pick of the show. Under $10 a piece.
Enjoyable. Yeah. Love it.
Shop.
Gift box.
All
right, speaking of individual boxed items, we have one coming up as well. So we're going to take care of it.
That's kismet.
All right. And even little garnet studs, Jane, to match back to the necklace that you're going to be talking about.